Tired of wrestling with paper bills? Let's get your Allstate insurance payment sorted online in just a few minutes. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official Allstate website. You'll want to look for the login section, usually found in the upper right corner of the homepage. Here, you'll need to enter your registered username and password. If you haven't set up an online account yet, there's typically a link to create an account or register nearby. Follow those prompts to get your account set up. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your account dashboard. From here, locate the billing or make a payment section. This is where all your payment information is managed. You'll see options to pay now for your current bill, or if you prefer, you can often set up AutoPay to ensure your payments are made automatically and on time, avoiding any late fees. To make a one-time payment, select Pay Now. You'll be prompted to enter your payment information. This could be a credit card, debit card, or bank account details. Ensure all information is accurate before proceeding. After entering your details, review everything carefully and then click the Submit Payment or Confirm button. You should then see a confirmation screen indicating your payment has been processed successfully, often with a transaction ID for your records. You can also access your payment history from this billing section to track all your past transactions, giving you a clear overview of your payments. And that's it. Paying your Allstate bill online is a secure and straightforward way to manage your insurance. Subscribe for more helpful tips.